Lesson 5 Media and Information Literacy as Citizen Engagement by Ahmed Kamal and Raed Al Zuwayyid.
Don't worry, he's just mad about the advertisement about whitening products. In order for us to understand the meaning of it, let's base it on the 5 key questions. Who created the message? What were used to attract my attention? How do you react to this print advertisement? What lifestyle were presented? And what are the values being promoted?
I'm okay now. Let's define what media information literacy is. In order for us to really understand it, let's first define what literacy is. Literacy is widely known as the ability of one individual to read and write. Media literacy, on the other hand, refers to the ability of one individual to access, analyze, and respond to a range of media.
What is the working definition of media literacy? This can be defined by 3 terminologies: accessing the media, analyzing the media, and expressing themselves using media. Print were considered as the magazine, journals, and newspaper, which they were called a publication. After a new edition is now called media.
Now, why is empowerment such a big word? Empowerment is hinged on the idea that power can change. From the word power, you can define control, dominance, and influence. Power is not always relational. In fact, that is what media literacy is all about, to cultivate the power inside you. Now let's define information literacy. From the word information, which enable us to know, and literacy, which enable us to read and write. Information literacy is the set of abilities requiring individuals to recognize when information is needed and how to locate, evaluate, and use it effectively. The rise of technology gave birth to internet when it arose in 1969, but it was in 1989 when a fully developed World Wide Web arose and turned into a global platform for knowledge sharing, communication, and achieving, which is now used in the modern era.
There are other sources of information other than in the internet, such as popular, scholarly,
as defined by UNESCO. Computer literacy, on the other hand, means the set of skills, attitudes, and knowledge necessary to understand and operate the basic function of information and communication.
That's all for now, folks. See you later.